Hello and welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction update. And in this video, I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Matic chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Matic has lost a key area of support at around the $0.678 mark, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above this ascending trend line that I have here on the charts, and a break below that key area of resistance might trigger a bit of a downward movement here on the charts in a breakdown move that where we could find ourselves at the key area of support at around the $0.6227 mark. Matic has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that on the 10th of June, we saw this massive crash in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $0.52 mark. Then afterwards, we started a very nice recovery to the upside, where we have been seeing this 1-2 setup, having that as a wave 1. Then we saw a breakdown move in the formation of that wave 2. Then afterwards, we started this other 1-2 setup where we have now picked in that first wave and also seen a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2. And minimum target areas for this second wave I gave you by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which is the area between the $0.6362 mark and the $0.5942 mark, which is the area highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, which is an area that we have almost fully maximized, and there are high chances that the low for the second wave is in, and whatever Matic is doing is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of a wave 3. And in my previous videos, I have been giving you minimum target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.846 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting Matic to do in the formation of that wave 3. And those are my breakout targets, but we also need to have some breakdown movements, that is targets in case further breakdown continues and maybe at some point Matic loses our trend line that we have here on the charts. And in case such a move plays out, then the first area of support that we need to keep our eyes on is the area at around the $0.6227 mark, where we can find support and then bounce back once more. And in case we lose that key area of support and continue seeing further breakdown, then we can expect Matic to give us one more leg down within this blue target area in the formation of this wave 2, and maybe give us a reset of the low for the second wave before we can start gearing up in the formation of that wave 3. And a break out of this blue target area to the lower side will be suggesting an even more bearish scenario here on the Matic chart. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. And those are the two possible moves that I'm keeping my eyes on. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 41 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.